Hi, I'm a passionate gardener with over 10 years of experience helping beginners like you succeed. Today we'll cover choosing your garden type, essential tools, soil prep, planting tips, maintenance, harvesting, and more. Whether you have a big yard or just a balcony,
Imagine stepping into your backyard and picking fresh tomatoes right off the vine, juicy, organic, and grown by you. Gardening isn't just a hobby, it's a game changer for your health, wallet, and the planet. In this ultimate beginner's guide to planting your own garden, we'll take you from seed to...
Hi, I'm Priya, a passionate gardener with over 10 years of experience helping beginners like you succeed. Today, we'll cover choosing your garden type, essential tools, soil prep, planting tips, maintenance, harvesting, and more. Whether you have a big yard or just a balcony,
if you're excited to get growing, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy planting tips, and turn on notifications. Let's dig in.
Assess your space. Measure it out and check for shade. Think about water access and wind. For beginners, start small to avoid overwhelm, common mistake alert, biting off more than you can chew.
First things first, what kind of garden fits your space? Options include container gardening for apartments, raised beds for better soil control, or in-ground plots for larger areas. Containers are perfect for small patios and balconies but need frequent watering. Raised beds.
Here's a container set up on a patio, a raised bed in a backyard, and an in-ground veggie patch. Pick what excites you most. Easy planting tips. Start small.
You don't need fancy gear to start. Essentials: a trowel for digging, gloves for protection, seeds or seedlings, quality soil, and a watering can. Budget picks under $20 each. Shop at local stores or online.
Watch how the trowel scoops soil effortlessly. Gloves keep hands clean using Barabide. Mix soil in a pot like this for best results.
Soil is the foundation of your garden. Sandy soil drains quickly because its particles are large and loose, while clay soil holds onto water with its tiny, tightly packed particles. To know what plants prefer, check your soil's pH. A simple test strip works great. Dip it in your soil water.
Alternatives. Use recycled yogurt cups as pots. Avoid cheap tools that break. Invest in durable ones for long-term savings. What's your go-to tool? Let us know in the comments. Affordable hauls can stretch your dollar farther than you think. Small changes, big savings. Proof that budget gardening.
Use recycled yogurt cups as pots. Avoid cheap tools that break. Invest in durable ones for long-term savings. Every dollar you keep in your pocket is a seed for the future. Let's make it grow.
Buy the neutral soil, add compost for nutrients. Mix like this. Till the soil to aerate, but don't overdo it to avoid compaction. Soil like this. Soil Hope That Professional, you'll sound green into a compost to help prevent the
mistake. Ignoring weeds. They steal water and nutrients. Pull them early, roots and all. Acidic soil is another common problem. If a test shows the pH is low, correct it with garden lime. Mix it in well, then retest. A balanced pH keeps plants thriving.
Tomatoes. Pick easy winners. Tomatoes for veggies, basil for herbs, and marigolds to bring in the pollinators. These tried and true plants grow quickly, forgive a missed watering, and reward you with flavor and color all season long. Start with healthy seedlings, set them in rich soil,